2, 1, start. Friends, I feel honored by the invitation of the All India Federation of Educational Association to preside over this conference. Stop. Apart from the close and special relationship of the Madras state to this conference, I am not a stranger to you. I had the privilege of being the chairman of the reception committee when the conference met in Madras last as minister in charge of the portfolio of education. I have always followed with keen interest the proceeding of your annual conference, and I have always been pleased to pursue the resolution passed and speeches made in these conferences. Stop. It therefore gives me great pleasure to be in your midst and take an active part in your deliberation. Stop. Change para. The biggest task facing India today is the fulfillment of the targets set down in the Constitution to provide free and compulsory education for all children until they complete the age of 14. Stop. Through the target period has expired, we are now very near the goal. Stop. This failure is not due to want to desire or efforts on our part, but mainly due to the obstacle and difficulties encountered during the course of implementation of the program. Stop. Change para. In the implementation of the program of universal education, we have to keep in mind one important aspect, that the children who are yet to be brought into school mostly belong to economical poor and socially and educationally backward families. Stop. Therefore, I do not think that any statutory provision compelling the parents to send their children to school will serve the purpose wholly. Stop. It is in this connection that the midday meals scheme introduced last year by the Madras government has achieved remarkable success, and with the voluntary cooperation of the committee to it in our state, nearly 1 million children are getting the benefit of the scheme. Stop. Change para. Another aspect of the problem which has to be borne in mind is that these children, particularly in the initial stage, are less receptive to education than the adult children. Stop. Unless special attention is paid to these children, they may not be able to keep pace with the other children. Stop. The teachers may have to play a benevolent role in this respect by devoting a little more time and attention to these backward children to enable them to get over this initial handicap. Stop. Change para. With millions of children having to be brought into school newly, it becomes necessary to establish new schools and open more classes in the existing schools. Stop. These schools should be properly housed and certain minimum equipments should be made available. Stop. A new movement has been started in Madras state. Stop. This has created a good enthusiasm amongst the people, and the rich and the poor have come forward to contribute their mite for the benefit of the children. Stop. All this has become possible of achievement mainly because of the enthusiastic efforts put in by the teachers. Stop. It has also brought the community, the teachers, and the schools into the close contact with each other, and this has created a very healthy atmosphere for the progress of education. Stop. Ultimately, education can and the progress and become widespread only when the community as a whole take an active interest in the program, and the teachers can play an effective part in bringing about this community perception. Stop. Before I conclude, I wish this conference success in its deliberation for educational progress. Stop. Change para. Dear Sir, with reference to your letter of the 10th instant. Stop. I am now making quick arrangement for the conference of shorthand writers to be held next December. Stop. Change para. I am pleased you were able to make such satisfactory arrangement for conducting the speed competitions at your center, including arrangement for stay of the participants. Stop. Insofar as the number of application received as on date is concerned, I wish to inform you that it is very encouraging, and as yet I have received 40 applications for various grades from 140 words a minute to 200 words a minute. Stop. Further, the entry of the 200 words a minute speed is only one. Stop. In view of this, it will be necessary for you to make stay arrangements for the 40 candidates. Stop. Change para. In this connection, I would suggest you to put two person in each room so that it will be economical. Stop. Further, I am also glad to inform you the progress in Madras Center is also fairly good. Stop. Change para. The members of the committee are all in the praise for you for the good assistance you are giving in the organization of the speed competition, and express the hope that you will be able to make your best contribution for the satisfactory holding of the conference in this city. Stop. If you kindly inform me in advance, I shall make your stay arrangement for the day. Stop. With regards, yours sincerely. Stop.